premature and early announcement by Vice President as a presidential candidate. Halata na naman, it has something to do with the impending impeachment proceedings. You know, para sa pwede nilang yung narrative nila na kaya ito ginagawa because they would want to obstruct and hinder my presidential bid. You know, that this is all politically motivated. But on the part of the complainants, because there are 4 complaints already, correct? Meron ng 4th complaint as of yesterday. All of these complainants are private citizens. And they are of the strong view that this is all about accountability. Dahil hanggang ngayon, since 2024 pa yung mga allegation against her, it remains unanswered. So wala pang closure. This is the proceedings na dapat sagutin ni VP Sara. And it should be, yun muna dapat ang asikasuhin niya before her presidential ambition. She should answer to the people. And we cannot sacrifice the principle, the primordial principle of accountability under the Constitution, under Article 11 of the Constitution. Thank you.